I'm going to show you how to ungroup email conversations on your iPhone. It's pretty easy to do. I'm going to just show you what I'm talking about, what it looks like. When I go to my email, I'm going to go to AOL, and you see Kurt. You see it got those little arrows to the right, and all these are the same conversation. So I don't like that because you don't know which one came first or second. So when I save it as new, it saves all of them as new. I'm going to show you here. You see all of them are new now. And I don't want that. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of this. And it's pretty easy to do. Okay, first you go to your settings. And once you click your settings, you want to scroll down until you see email or mail. Click on the mail and scroll down and organize by thread. You want to uncheck that, the organize by thread. So I'm going to take that, turn that off. I'm going to go back to my email. I'm going to show you what it looks like. You notice that the conversations are no longer collapsed together. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you and have a great day.